This is Sharkbite 90-degree elbow, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch MNPT. This fitting is very convenient. It can connect to different systems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect pegs into the elbow and then using this part to connect to a valve. Let's get started. For the PEX tube, you just need a pipe cutter and make sure it's square to the pipe. That's it. Next step, mark the insert depth. For 1/2 inch, we need to measure the 0.95 inch, almost 1 inch, right here. Let's look at the inside. You will see a plastic inner collar. This is actually the stiffening collar. If you're using PEX, you must use this collar. Just give you extra strength to get a better seal. And if you look down, you will see a stainless like metal teeth. This is the grab ring to grab the tube. And right above here, there's an O-ring. So our mark is right here. So the pipe gonna be pushed to here. So the O-ring will seal right here. That's why we need a mark to make sure that we can push all the way in until the tube stops right there. So when you get ready, make sure you put the inner stiffener inside the tube. So when you get ready, make sure they are lined up and one hand grab the tube, one hand grab the fitting and push inside. Now I go through the grab ring and keep pushing. Okay, right now I cannot push any further and the line is right here. So here it reached the stop place. And then let's look at here. So this is the male part. You just thread them in very easy, but make sure you're going to use the tape. So once the tape is on, just put them in. It is actually very easy, but sometimes you just made a mistake or you changed your idea how to connect them and you want to remove them. Actually for Sharkbite it's very easy. Let's do this part. Just unscrew. And then for the push connection, they got a special tool, Sharkbite disconnector. We are facing this side into the fitting. Like this. And then all we need to do is push hard to this direction to push in this collar. And then at the same time, grab the pegs. So push hard. Yeah, you probably need several times to really like push hard and finger will be hurt like this. And if you want to disconnect a lot of them, you probably need a Sharkbite tongue for easier removal. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.